Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 10 Sudha Kalpa Adhyaya. Pharmaceutical Preparation of Sudha. Adhadaha Sudha Kalpam Vyakyasyamaha Idiha Smaha Bhagavanatreyaha. Now we shall elaborate the chapter dealing with the pharmaceutics of Sudha, thus said Lord Atreya. Purgative effects of Sudha. Virechananam Sarvesham Sudha Tekshnatama Madha. Gunas. Tekshnatama, strongest to drastic. Among all purgative drugs, Snuhi is the drastic purgative. Sankadam hi Binatyashu Doshanam Kashta Vibrama. It disintegrates the accumulated impurities quickly. Limitations or contraindications. Tasma nesha mridav koshte prayoktavya kadachan na dosha nichaye cha alpe sadhimarga parikrame. To person with mridu koshta, when there is less accumulation of dosha, not preferably used when other purgative drugs bring out the desired purgation. Note: among purgative drugs, Snuhi is said to be drastic purgative. It is sharp and instantaneous action is responsible for unmanageable adverse reaction due to the inappropriate administration of this drug. Therapeutic indications of Snuhi. Pandurobhodare, Gulme Kushte, Dushi Vishardhide, Shvayatau Madhumehecha, Dosha Vibranta Chedasi, Rogerevam, Vidher Grastam, Jnatva, Saprana Madhuram. Prayojayen Mahavraksham Samyak Sahi Avacharadaha Satyo Haradi Doshanam Mahandamabi Sanchayam. In diseases Pandu, Udhara, Gulma, Kushta, Shodha, Madhumeha Unmada Doshi Visha. In these conditions, Sudha can be administered if the individual is strong. The properly administered Sudha can expel out the excessively accumulated morbid doshas immediately. Varieties and synonyms of Snuhi. Dvividaha samado alpescha bahubihi chaiva kandagaihi. Snuhi is of two types, that which has numerous thorns, other one being with less number of thorns. So, bahubihi kandaga, alpabihi kandaga. So Tekšnaihi, Kandagaihi, Alpaihi, Pravaro Bahu Kandaga. But both have sharp thorns, Tekshna Kandaga. One with numerous thorns is considered as the best among two, Pravaro Bahu Kandaga. So types of Sudha or Snuhi are Alpa Kandaga and Bahu Kandaga, and Bahu Kandaga is the Pravara, Sreshta 1. Sanamna Snuk Guda Nanda Sudha Nistrimsha Patraka. Snuk stem is rounded, Guda. Nanda, one which brings about happiness. Sudha, latex is being white in color. Nistrimsha Patraka, sword like sharp edged leaves. These are the different names of Snuhi. Synonyms are Snuk, Guda, Nanda, Sudha, Nistrimsha Patraka. Method of collection. Tau vipatya aharet, kshiram shastrena madhyaman vishak, dvivarsham va, trivarsham va, shishirante visheshadaha. Inside the plants which are 2-3 years old and mature with a sharp instrument. Collect the milky latex. The collection is done at the end of winter. Shishirante. Purification of Snuhi latex. Bilvadinam Brihatyava Kandagaryaha Tadaikashaha Kashayena. Kashaya of Bilvadi Panchamula with Brihadyar Kandagari is prepared. Some amsham tam krutva angareshu shoshayet. To this equal quantity of Sudha Kshira is added, and this is heated over pan till it gets dry. Tadaha kola samam matram pipet sauviragena va. Tushodagena, Kolanam, Rasena Amalagasya va. Suraya, Dhandimandena, Madhulunga Rasena va. From this paste, pills of size of kola is prepared with Sauviraga, Tushodaga, juice of kola, juice of amalagi, Sura, Dhandimanda and juice of Madhulunga. These pills should be taken along with either of following immunity enhancing agents for purging. Preparation of Sudha pills. Sadhalam, Kanchanakshirim, Shyamadini Kadutrikam. Yadhopapatti, Saptaham, Sudakshirena Bhavaye, Kolamatram, Gridenadaha, Pibin Mamsarasena Va. Saptala, Swarnakshiri, Shyama, etc. Shundi, Maricha, Pippali are made into powder. This powder should be triturated with the latex of Sudha for 1 week. This paste is rolled into pills of the size of Kola Pramana, and these pills can be given with either ghee or meat soup, Mamsarasa. Various preparations of Sudha. Recipe of Snuhi in the form of syrup, Gudapanaga. Trayushalam, Tribhalam Dendim Chitrakam, Trivradam Tatha, Slukshira Bhavidam, Samyak Vidyat, Gudapanagam. Snuhi Kshira is impregnated with the powders of Shundi, Pippali, Maricha, Trayushalam, Tribhala, Haritagi, Vibhetagi, Amalagi. Then the Trivardhan Chitraka with jaggery is given in the form of syrup. Formulation of Sudha for Mrudu Koshti. Sudha powder on a garland. Trivrataragvadam, Dandi Shankinim, Saptalam Sama, Gomutre Rejanim Kritva, Shoshayed Adhabe Tadaha. Trivrata, Arakvada, Dandi Shankini and Saptala should be taken in equal quantity and made into powder. This should be triturated with the cow's urine in the night and dried in the sun. Shoshayed Adhabe. Saptaham Bhavayed Shushkam, Tadastena Abhi Bhavidam. This process should be repeated for 7 days. Saptaham Bhavayitvevam, Snukshirena Aparam Punaha. This recipe should again be triturated with milky latex of Snuhi for 7 days. Gandhamalyam Tadagnaya Pravritya Padamevacha Sukamashu Virichande Mrudukoshta Naradibaha. Thus prepared churna should be sprinkled on aromatic garland or water soaked with this powder is impregnated on upper garment. Thus medicated garland or upper garment may be worn by person of royal descent or person who has laxed bowel. By the smell of garland or of upper garment, individual will get purgation easily and quickly. Sudhalehya Linctus. Shyama Trivart Kashayena Snukshira Grida Fanidaihi. In Kashaya of Shyama Trivart, add Snuhi Kshira Grida and Fanida. Leham Paktva Birekartam Lehayan Matraya Naram. This mixture is cooled till it attains the consistency of Avaleha. Snuhi Kshira with Yusha or vegetable soup. Payayetu Sudhakshiram Yushehi Mamsarasehi Gridaihi. Milky latex of Snuhi is taken with Yusha, with meat soup and with Krida. Sudha Kshira. Bhavida Shushka Matsyanva Mamsamva Bhakshayet Naraha. Bhavana is to be given to dry fish Shushka Matsya, dry meat Shushka Mamsa. Sudha Krida. Kshirena Amalagaihi Sarpihi Chadurangulavat Paje. Milky latex may also be used to prepare ghee as told in Chadurangula Kalpa Adhyaya. Snuhi Kshira boiled with milk. The cream is then used to make ghee, taken with the juice of Amalaki. Sudha Sura. Suram va kariyet shire, kridam va porvavat pache. Powders of Shundi, Pippali, Maricha, Haritagi, Amalaki, Dendi, Chitragan, Travrata are mixed with latex of Snuhi. From this, Sura is prepared. Summary. Tatra slogau Savviragadibihi Sapta Sarpisha Charasena cha Panagam Neya Lehau cha Yoga Yushadibihi Trayaha Dvav Shushka Matsya Mamsabhyam Suraika Dvav cha Sarpishi Mahavrikshasya Yogaste Vimshadihi Samudahridaha. So in brief, to sum up, in this chapter 20 recipes of Mahavriksha Sudha have been told, which are as follows. Pills with Savviraka, pills with Tushodaka, pills with juice of Kola, pills with juice of Amalaki, pills with Sura, pills with Dadimanda, pills with juice of Madhulunga, pills with ghee, pills with meat soup in the form of Panaka, as inhalation in the form of Lehya, with vegetable soup, with meat soup, with dry fish, with dry meat, as a form of sura, Shirav Snuhi with ghee, Krida with juice of Amalagi, Krida with kashaya of Dashamola, Kulatta, Yava, Shyamadi. So total 20 recipes. So summing up, total 20. 1 pills with Saviraga, 1 pill with Tushodaga, 1 pill with juice of Kola, 1 pill with Amalagi Rasa. Then pills with Sura, pills with Dadimanda, pills with Madhuluka Rasa, pills with Ghee, pills with Mamsa Rasa, and in the form of Panaka. As Gneya in the form of Lehya, with Yusha, with Mamsa Rasa, with Shushka Matsya, with Shushka Mamsa, as a form of Sura, Shira of Snuhi with Grida, Grida with juice of Amalaki, Grida with Kashaya of Dashamula, Kulatta, Yava, Shyamadi, total 20 yoga. Thus ends the 10th chapter of Kalpasthana, which deals with pharmaceutic of Mahavraksha in Agnivesha work, which is redacted by Charaga, supplemented by Dridabala. Euphorbia nerifolia Linn. So these are the images of Sudha and also references are given. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Also don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the references are given below the video. Thank you.